Hello everyone and welcome to the AT channel where we make technology easy to use. If you would like to get updates when we post new videos, please click the subscribe button below. In today's video, we will be taking a look at waiting rooms in Zoom. There have been a lot of concerns lately about security using Zoom. Starting April 4th, Zoom addressed these concerns by changing some of the defaults on user accounts. All meetings will now be password protected and virtual waiting rooms will be turned on so that you can screen participants. Let's take a walk through and see how this is going to look. If you are the meeting host and a new participant tries to enter the meeting you are in, you will get a notification at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can either admit the participant or see who's in the waiting room. If you click to see who's in the waiting room, it will bring up a list of everyone who is currently in the meeting, as well as people who are in the waiting room. If you are expecting the people who are in the waiting room, you can select Admit, and this will allow the individual to enter the meeting. If you have someone wanting to enter the meeting and it was requiring a password, you can click on the circle icon on the top left of the screen. This will show you your meeting ID, a link that you can share with them, and a password to the meeting. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't installed Zoom yet, or if you aren't sure where to get started, check out the links in the description. Also, let us know if you like the videos, or if you have any questions. Please leave them in the comment section and we'll do our best to help you out. Thank you.